To get started, you want to arrange your cords on the board. So it doesn't matter which colour you start with from the outside, but your shortest cords want to be in the centre and clip to the bottom of your board. So you can start, like I said, with whichever colour you want. So I'm going to start with the colour next to the centre, and I'm going to do 3 square knots. So for now, I just want to put these out of the way. I want to work cord on the left over the top, cord on the right over that one, under the cross and through. And to complete, I'm going to take the cord on the left under, and this one on the right under this one, and then over this cross and through. Now let's repeat this another 2 times. And once I've done that one, I want to take the other colour and I want to bring these cords over the top of the ones I've just worked, and then put these out of the way, and then do 1 square knot. So again, just repeating what I did with the other colour. And then I want to drop these ones, take the other colour, bring these cords over the top of these ones that I just worked, put these out of the way, and repeat what I did in the first section. So I'm going to do 3 square knots. And then drop this colour, bring this one back over the top of the colour I've just worked, and again do 1 square knot. And I can drop this one, bring this one over the top, move these out of the way, and do 3 square knots. And you want to repeat these 2 sections all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. So when you get to the end, you can take the 2 cords that you last worked with and put them with the holding cords, and take the last 2 and do your final square knot. So this way you just trap those cords instead of leaving them free like you were doing before, and then you can trim and seal the excess for the cord that you've just used. So I'm just going to seal this with a lighter, but you could use glue if you prefer. So I've started with a simple loop, so I'm going to be ending with a button fastening, but you could do different fastenings if you prefer. Let's take my cords and thread them onto a button. So once you've threaded the button on, just push it up to the end where you finished your square knot, tie a knot in the ends, and then just push your knot up to be against the button. And then you can trim and seal any excess. And you should end up with something that looks like this. Alternately, you could begin the bracelet with a button and end with a simple loop closure. And that is your completed bracelet.